Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix video can't be posted on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to post any video on Instagram, your video can't be posted or you might get any issue. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So very first thing is that you just have to check your network connection. It might be your network issue. So very first you have to try to refresh your network. Now to do that you have to scroll down your control center, and from here you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest and a stable network connection. Or after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So now to check your VPN connection you just have to open your settings app here, and in settings go for general, go for VPN and device management here, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, either disconnect with that. After doing that, you just have to go back and you have to go for App Store or Play Store here, search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update for your Instagram app. If you find any update here, try to update your Instagram. After doing that, go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you can try one more step to fix your network issue. Open your settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode here, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue must be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, so it's just your app issue. You just have to go for settings app again, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram here, and here you have to try to offload this app, or you can also try to delete the app. So in my case I'm going to offload my app here, tap on offload app and tap on offload app again. It will offload your app and then never reinstall. It will completely reinstall this app on your phone without deleting app data. So you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue must be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.